We're at 110 miles an hour, wind-driven rain, no leak. You can put us underwater and we won't leak on the pipe or the crimp that runs around here where the boot and the metal meet each other. And absolutely nobody on the planet takes pitch the way we do.
Guys, if you remember Monarch Roofing Company tour, we actually have seen their product at Monarch's, and we have a conversation about a month ago about what they do, and sure enough, we ran into them at Florida Expo Show. So I'm gonna show you some very, very cool bathroom vents and ultimate pipe flashing. Tell me how it's different from other pipe flashings.
Okay. We have 24 gauge galvanized Conard coated steel.
Okay.
200,000 thick pure silicone boot. Pure PVC locking collar. Never allows that boot to relax away from the pipe. 4 inches on each side, 6 inches out the top. The old industry standard, the way it's supposed to be. And absolutely nobody on the planet takes pitch the way we do. You can mount us up from dead level. That's 2012 pitch you're looking at there for our smaller sizes. We market to 1812.
By the way, I love your display here. Very creative.
Yep, it's very good.
So tell me about your relationship with Monarch Roofing. How much they buy of it? Why they buy it from you? How long they've been buying from you?
Martin Pettigrew's been a long-time loyal customer. Our company began in 2011, and he understood the value of our product, how it sets him apart in the marketplace that he operates in. He's showing his customers that he's offering the best he possibly can. He installs a 50-year shingle. We stand shoulder to shoulder with whatever warranty system roof covering installed.
How much do they buy, and do they buy direct from you?
No, they buy a lot and they pull everything through distribution.
Distribution.
Yep.
So where do you sell it?
ABC, Beacon, SRS, Gulf Eagle, all the major players.
What is this gold piece?
This is the internal workings of our new bath and dryer. This is our new ultimate bath and dryer vent. We're incorporating the same technology, the 4 inches out each side, the 6 inches out the top, keeping the old industry standards of roofing, how things are supposed to be flashed correctly. We have taken this product and put the top 5 sellers in the country inside the wind-driven rain test. The first 3 failures were all at 30 miles an hour.
Wow.
One manufacturer made it to 50 and 70. We're at 110 miles an hour, wind-driven rain, no leak. And in this market down here, where they get the big thunderstorm every afternoon, that's a big deal here.
What else do you have here? I see you have a few more easy feed pipes.
These are our accessory products to the ultimate pipe flashing. When a contractor, the ultimate pipe flashing is designed to fit Schedule 40 PVC, ABS, some of your galvanized iron pipe that's out there is the same exact OD. We're a precision fit, and as we can attest to in the water test here, you can put us underwater and we won't leak on the pipe or the crimp that runs around here where the boot and the metal meet each other. So when a contractor runs into old plumbing, the coppers, all he has to do is take our easy sleeve accessory product, drop it down over, install this is a 2-inch copper, 2-inch easy sleeve, put the 2-inch ultimate on top of that. Everything's buttoned up tight as a drum.
So you
this is cut out to show what's going on inside.
It's a copper inside.
A lot of cast iron plumbing out there. This is a 2-inch cast iron pipe. Now in the iron arena, you have to go up one size. You grab a 3-inch easy sleeve, drop it on there. Now you can install the 3-inch ultimate pipe flashing. It's a real neat presentation. Up in New England, cast iron is very big. You have old construction. What we've designed here with our Easy Fit product is they can cut off at deck level, drive the Easy Fit into the pipe, and we make a 3-inch and 4-inch model. It's total pipe elimination. The roofer can market to their customers. They're never going to see the rust running down the roof again. The iron is gone and covered up forever. So.
Love it. I would like to hear some testimonials, guys. If you are the user of this brand, Ultimate Pipe Boots or Ultimate Kitchen Vents, I want you to comment below. If you like the idea, give it a like. Just for the company, I like some good accessories for roofing business, and your likes, your comments, your engagements always helps to spread the good products on YouTube.
You can view all of our information on lifetimetool.com. Anything you need to know about the products and its warranty system and its tech sheets for specification and with architects and all that.
We will put all the links below in description and the comments as well. See you later.